Good morning, students. Hope you all are very well with your parents. Today we are going to complete our second chapter, that is the earliest people. Before starting, I would recall you about yesterday topic and previous classes topic related to the earliest people. In previous class, we studied about early man. Why did early man move frequently? The Stone Age, division of Stone Age, and Stone Age sites, tool making, uses of tools. Now, and yesterday we studied about rock painting. Cave or rock painting are the paintings depicted on the walls of rock or caves. The scenes generally depict on the hunting, dancing, and animal fights. The most spectacular painting is in Madhya Pradesh, that is Bhimbedka. The subject of the early works means early paintings to confine to simple human figures, human activities, geometry designs and symbols. The purpose of his painting, they communicate with each other. Okay, this is our yesterday's topic. Now we come in today's topic, religions belief. Religions belief. What do you think about religion? Religion, the belief is a god or gods and the activities connected with this. Students, you see that in your neighborhoods, friends and teachers are belong to different religions. But present times there were so many religions. We all worship God, but we call him different name, like Hindu call God, Muslim called Allah, Sikh called Vahe Guru. But in that period of time there were no religions. All persons are equal. They all worship the like forces of nature, the sun, the moon and the star and some wild animals. Do you understand what is religion? Religion is one of the systems of beliefs that is based on a belief in a god or gods. Okay. Now we come in topics. Religious belief. It seems the early people had no systematic or especially specific religious belief, but they worship various forces of nature like the sun, the moon, stars, as well as some wild animals. They were afraid of storm, thunder, and lightning and took them as expression of divine anger. Probably they also worshipped their one star and buried the dead will all the belongings to be used in the next world. They also believed in magical power, charms and spell. They all worship like nature, sun, the moon, the star and some wild animals. They are afraid of thunder. They are afraid of thunder. They think that God is angry with him. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Now we come in glossaries. These are glossaries in related to your second chapter, the earliest people. Mesolithic, the Middle Stone Age, when man started making advanced stone tools. Nomad, one who moved from place to place in search of food. In early person moved here and there for searching food. Do you understand? And sites, place where materials remains of the past are found. Neolithic, the new stone age, when man began to grow plants and domesticated animals. Paleolithic, the old stone age, when men used only stone tool and where food gathers. Do you understand? Today our second chapter, the earliest pupil, completed. Okay, students. Tomorrow we revise our second chapter. Okay, students. Thank you.